While others are saving money, investors are buying asset. This is Uptown Modern, our last residential condo here in Uptown Bonifacio. Want to know more? Watch this video until the end.
Ito ang pinakabago naming condo dito sa BGC. Pre-selling, ready by 2031. Walking distance to Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers, and Mitsukoshi Mall. At few minutes away lang sa St. Luke's Hospital, Bonifacio High Street, Makati, Ortigas at Naiya. This one-bedroom unit is 58.5 square meter, semi-furnished, complete kitchen appliances, toilet and bath fixtures, aircon, smart home system, and keycard access. Pet-friendly na din ito, plus we offer hotel-type amenities. Perfect ang property na to as your future home or investment kasi pwedeng iparent long-term or short-term or i-resell in the future. This is also open to both Filipinos and foreign investor. One-bedroom unit starts at 23 million pesos. So, inquire now.